In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Fireflies AI from a meeting. If you've got an automated note-taker joining calls, you don't need it on. This quick process will help you keep that meeting private and focused. We'll do this directly from your calendar, and it works the same way whether you're using Google Calendar or Outlook. Start by opening your calendar on the web or desktop, the place where you normally create and manage events. Find the exact meeting where the AI note-taker was invited. If it's part of a recurring series, make sure you open the correct instance. Most calendars will ask if you want to edit just this event or the entire series. Choose the option that matches your intention before making changes. Inside the event details, look for the guest or attendee list. This is usually on the right in Google Calendar and near the top in Outlook under Attendees or Required/Optional. You should see an entry for the Fireflies AI assistant in that list. It may appear as a named contact or a note-taker label. Go ahead and remove that entry from the guest list. In Google Calendar, you can hover over the name and click the small X to remove it. In Outlook, select the note-taker's entry in the attendee field and delete it, just like removing any other guest. Once you've cleared the AI note-taker from the guest list, save or update the event. Your calendar will likely prompt you to send updates. Choose the option that fits your situation. Sending updates ensures all attendees, including the removed assistant, are notified of the change. If you're editing a recurring meeting, be consistent with your choice of updating just this event or the full series. That's it. Fireflies won't join that meeting once it's no longer on the guest list. If you ever need to add it back for future calls, you can re-invite it the same way you add any attendee. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the note-taker listed, it probably wasn't invited to that event, so there's nothing to remove. If the assistant still shows up later, double-check that you saved the update and that you edited the correct meeting instance, especially with recurring events. Also, remember that removing the note-taker from one meeting doesn't affect other meetings. You'll need to repeat this for any additional events where you don't want it to join. Follow these steps, and you'll have complete control over which meetings include the AI note-taker and which ones stay strictly between the people in the room.